Today we're doing something entirely different that I haven't done before, and I am taking you behind the scenes on my YouTube analytics to show you how much YouTube paid me in 2021, as well as the entire lifetime of being monetized on this channel, which is 2 years at this stage. I'm Amanda Horvath, and I help eliminate the obstacles to getting you sitting where I'm sitting right now in front of the camera, sharing your message with the world. So if you're ready to use video in your strategy this year, then be sure to subscribe and click the bell to be notified every time I release a new video. And if you're looking for the fastest way to get up and running on your video journey, then be sure to check out the free resources that are linked in the description below. The reason that I'm sharing these numbers with you isn't to say, hey, look at me and how much money I made. It's more so to show you what is possible on the platform and for you to have realistic approaches about how much you can make on YouTube. Now, in a previous video, I broke down how to make money on YouTube, stacking multiple different strategies together. So the ad revenue strategy is one of the last ones that I think about. I haven't been super strategic in this area. This is just kind of bonus income. That's how I personally view it. So if you want to learn how to make money strategically on YouTube, then definitely be sure to check out that other video. I will link to it in the cards as well as in the description below. Now, before I take you into the analytics, let's have some fun. I want you to drop a comment below letting me know how much you think I made off YouTube over the last year, as well as lifetime of being monetized, which is 2 years. Now, to give you some metrics to be able to guess, at this stage, I have 188 videos uploaded on the channel. I do weekly uploads. I have 2.5 million views on the channel and 48.7 thousand subscribers. So drum roll, please. In the entire time of being monetized on YouTube, I have made $20,000 from the platform. Now, if you're looking at this graph, you can see I waited quite a while before I actually decided to monetize. And that's because I was under the impression that this really wouldn't be a paycheck worth having. I thought I'd make $100 here, $100 there, and I thought it'd be annoying for my audience to have to watch ads, so I didn't turn them on for a really long time. But then someone dropped a comment on my videos. They had less subscribers than me, and they told me how much they were making, and I was like, maybe I should be considering that. And so in January 20th of 2020, I decided to turn on the monetization. So I pretty much had the entire 2020s monetized and 2021 as well, which are the 2 years we'll be looking at. Now, as you can see in general, it's a slow climb up to be actually making money with your videos. So like it started off, I was making $4 a day, right? And then it got up to the point where I was making $73 a day. That's kind of been the peak so far. And then it's kind of oscillated up and down to see just in general like how the graph moves. And the reason that it's inconsistent is because it depends on how well your videos are performing on the platform. At times, you might have a big spike where tons of people are going to your channel and they're watching your content. Well, in those months, you're going to make more money. That's certainly what happened around this area when I had one video hit the algorithm. It was the first video to really take off, and so I was making more money at that time. Then it kind of went back down as my channel got more like back to normal, and then I waited for the next one to eventually hit the algorithm, which is probably that peak there. So just to break this down even further to show you, I got paid $8,500 from YouTube in 2020. So that was the first year of being monetized, $8,500, which isn't chump change, especially if you're thinking about this as extra revenue within your business. And then in 2021, I made $11,000 from ad revenue, which once again is just extra money that is coming in my business, something that I'm not necessarily living on. This is just bonus. And once again, if you want to learn how to really maximize your revenue from all of your YouTube efforts, then definitely be sure to check out that other video with these other strategies like selling your current products and services, affiliate revenue, and all that jazz. So hopefully this was helpful for you to see what is possible on the platform and to see that it is a significant amount of revenue that you can get from a year. It's not something you're going to live on, so you don't want to plan to put all of your eggs in one basket in terms of ad revenue. That would be rather stressful. You do want to kind of diversify your income, but generally speaking, it is a nice additional revenue source that you can have if you are producing YouTube videos. If this video is helpful, please be sure to click like and drop a comment below letting me know. I love engaging with you guys in the comments and having back and forth conversation because ultimately video is a two-way street and it can often feel like a one-way dialogue if I'm just talking to you. So hit me up and let's get to know each other. Otherwise, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.